What are you doing? You hugging your brother? Aw. Is he breathing okay?
Yes.
Yeah, you're not covering his mouth, right? His pacifier's good? Oh, look, he's sleeping. He likes you. Can I take him now?
No.
Please, can I put him in his crib?
Not yet.
Not yet?
After this, so.
You're not done holding him?
No.
Right. Don't poke him. Leave him, baby. He's so nice and quiet. You got him nice and quiet. Don't poke him. You sure, buddy, how you're holding him? You're such a good boy. Oh, he's looking at you. Luke, he's looking at you. Oh, he closed his eyes again.